A very good evening to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. How's your weekend, guys? Mine has been quite eventful. I washed my waterproof phone and the entire phone went spoiled, but luckily my new phone is arriving tomorrow. But anyway, nowadays all the data is on cloud base, so I didn't lose a lot of data other than photos. Alright, so let us just get into business. Today I have around 5 currency pairs to cover. So the first currency pair we are looking at is pound Australian dollar. I am looking to short. Interestingly, all the currency pairs that I'm going to share today. So it is a pretty bearish day for me, or rather the upcoming analysis. Do take note that this coming Friday will be the US non-farm payroll, followed by 8th of June, UK election, 9th of June, midnight 2 a.m. based on Singapore time. That'll be US Federal Reserve interest rate decision. Alright, so this interest rate decision, I do believe it will be much a volatile one than the previous one. Reason being, if Fed decide to increase interest rates, then it will kind of give the market a surprise, because most people, or rather that there's a handful or percentage of analysts do not see it coming. If they choose not to, it will drive the market as well. So this interest rate will definitely drive some volume. So traders, do your preparation before the actual day itself. So let us get back to business. Pound Australian dollar. This is a 4-hour chart itself. What do we see over here? Okay, there is a sign of downward movement. Over here, there is a break of recent support. Alright, so I am looking at 1.7352 as my position to look for a short. Alright, just now we are on the dot itself, somewhere over here, and the reason is pretty straightforward. Alright, so for traders, break of support, came down. I'm waiting for a retest over here. Initial stop loss 1.7440. Let me just point out for you. It will be this price over here will be my initial stop loss, bring you a 70 or rather 88 pips of initial losses. Target 1.7281. Alright, this price over here, if you go to 1-hour chart, you will see this is our entry price, this is our first target itself, previous support. Alright, and let's say it went up, engage our trade, came down, it will be a retest of support. That will give you 71 pips of profit. Target to 1.7180. That will be this price over here, 172 pips. A pretty good 2-1 ratio. Once the market hit this price, final take profit level 1.7040. You have to go to the 4-hour chart to locate that price itself. This price over here, total profit 312 pips. That is pound Australian. Moving up next, euro dollar. As we have seen the market, let me just go back to 15-minute chart. Over here, it has just double top it. It went all the way down. Alright, so I am waiting for a retest at 1.1164, or rather a retest at 1.1205. This price over here, I'm looking for a short. Initially, I thought that this will be quite a good trade, but after looking at the target profit and my initial stop loss, this is not the best of the best that I have for today. The initial stop loss is at 1.1253. Okay, that's one of my practice. I do respect the double top over here, so I place my stop loss way above it. Alright, that is the problem why this is not a perfect trade, because the stop loss and take profit level isn't that great in ratio. Alright, so stop loss 48 pips, initial stop loss 48 pips, target 1 I'm looking at 1.1164. Alright, recent low. Okay, so important support level, that is my target 1, bring you 41 pips, target 2 1.1139. This price over here bring you 66 pips, and final take profit level 1.1116. That will be 1.1116. And this will bring you 89 pips of profit. Even by hitting the final take profit level, it doesn't fulfill a 2-1 ratio. Almost, but not. Alright, so I may classify this as a class C trade. Okay, up next we are looking at pound yen itself. So for pound yen, if we move up to 4-hour chart, we can see a similar movement like pound Australian. Alright, they are pound based, so that could be one of the reason, but not always the reason. Yeah, recent week we did see that pound dollar and pound yen move in the exact different direction at the same time. Alright, so this is a very important support level, turn resistant. My level of entry, however, is at 143.77. Alright, right at the price region itself, that is the point of entry. Okay, so my initial stop loss is at 14520. This region over here, initial stop loss 104 pips, target 1.4377. Alright, which is this price that we have plotted out earlier on. Entry price 1.4416. So sorry about the confusion just now. Alright, the reason why I didn't engage at this price is pretty straightforward. Alright, that is because if I engage at the immediate price itself, it is possible, but my reward and risk over ratio won't be as good. Alright, which may cause me not to engage the trade at all. Alright, so this is the initial entry price. Okay, so the initial stop loss is 145.20, 104 pips. Target 143.77. This price range over here, 39 pips. The main purpose is for me to shift my stop loss to entry. My target 2 is 142.12. This price over here is my target 2, bring you 204 pips. Very close to 2-1 ratio. Final take profit level is at 140.55. Alright, that will bring you 361 pips. $140.55. Okay, this is the final take profit level. Next currency pair we are looking at is pound dollar. Alright, so we see a lot of choppy movement over here. I'm waiting for the market to retest at 1.2940. There'll be this price over here. This is my entry price. As you can see, look left, previous support turn resistance right now. My stop loss is at 1.3056. I put additional above at this price over there. That is my stop loss. Bring you stop loss, initial stop loss of 116 pips. Target 1.2840. That will be this price over here. Target 1 will bring you to 100 pips of profit. Target 2, 1.2700, attaining a 2:1 ratio. Just move up to a higher time frame to show you. Alright, so this is my target 2, and final take profit level 1.2615. This price over here, the final take profit level 325 pips of profit. That is my pound dollar. Last but not least, Australian dollar. Likewise, to me the sell is quite nice, but the profit reward over risk ratio profile is not as good. Alright, as you can see over here, market double top, came down. I'm awaiting for a retest. Okay, so breaking of a uptrend channel, now looking for short. The entry price I'm looking at is at 0.7445. This price over here is my entry price. 0.7477. So sorry about that. Okay, this is my entry price. That's better. Okay, so this is my entry price. My stop loss is at 0.7542. Above the high over here. The initial stop loss is 65 pips. Target 1 0.7445, which will bring you to 32 pips of profit. Alright. Target 2 0.74 flat. This price over here bring you 77 pips. Final take profit level 0.7367. Producing 110 pips of profit. So as you can see, even my target trade itself, it doesn't give me a 2:1 ratio. However, the entire trend, it has just break the pretty long term, or rather short term, determined uptrend movement. So I do see market is coming down. Signal is pretty strong for me that it is a bearish movement, but the profit level and my stop loss level doesn't give me a 2:1 ratio. Hence, it is not my best trade. In fact, I might downgrade it to be a class C trade. Alright, so dear viewers, this is the video for today, 29th of May. If you only have came across this video way after the date itself that is being posted, chances are you are not the subscriber of Trade Ideas. For the first month, it's only for $10 US. Subscribe now to enjoy and receive the trade ideas that we have produced, and it will help you in giving you an insight of what other professional traders are looking at currently. Alright, once again, my name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Thank you for watching this and wishing you many pips in return. Goodbye for now.